Parole is denied once again for Dennis Drue, the man who caused that rollover crash in the Northway in 2012 that killed 2 local teenagers.
News 10 ABC's Michaela Singleton spoke with one victim's father and a local representative on why the parole process is especially difficult for victims' families.
It's been close to 10 years since Dennis Drue got in his car, drunk and high on drugs, ultimately causing the crash that killed Shenendehowa students Christopher Stewart and Deanna Rivers. Early Wednesday morning, the parole board denied his request for release a third time. It's only a small victory for Christopher's father, Michael Stewart.
Those thoughts come up right away as to, what would Christopher be doing right now, or what job would he have? So that's a pain that I don't think is ever going to go away.
Drue won't be able to appeal to the parole board again until July 2024, but has a conditional release date as early as November 2023. Michael says it's agonizing having to go through the process over and over again, and it's harder than ever to prove how much losing his son has cost. Since COVID hit, he and other victims' families haven't gotten to give their side to the board face-to-face, reduced instead to 30-minute phone calls with a single board member.
There's no way that you can express emotions and tears and sadness over the phone versus either a face-to-face or at least a Zoom call.
Senator Jim Tedisco joining the Stewart and Rivers families to create Christopher and Deanna's law that would amend the parole board's review of victim impact statements.
When they give a statement, it would be mandated to be videotaped, and also it would be a requirement that the individuals, the 3 commissioners of the parole who interview those perpetrators who are up for parole, have to see those videotapes from beginning to end.
The inmate is definitely going to have either a Zoom call with the commissioners or even a face-to-face call with the commissioners when they make their decision. And it's just common sense that the family should have that same right.
Michael says he's never received a heartfelt or genuine apology from Dennis Drue. News 10 has not been able to find a lawyer representing Drue for comment. Reporting in Albany, Michaela Singleton, News 10 8.